After the grand success of Godrej Tropical Isle, Godrej has introduced another new project next to Tropical Isle called Godrej Jardiniya. Godrej Jardiniya promises a slice of European grandeur in Noida's Sector 146. But is it all glitz or does it offer real substance? Let's delve into the details to help you decide. Hello and welcome to the Real Estate Matrix by White Hat Realty. At the Real Estate Matrix, we provide impartial project reviews, focusing one project at a time. In today's episode, we'll explore a French-themed residential project called Godrej Jardiniya. Based on the research conducted by our team, we have simplified the entire project analysis into 7 key points. This structure format will provide you with the comprehensive information about the project, making it easier for you to grasp all the essential details. We'll understand the project's location, key highlights, and unique selling points. We'll delve into the project's floor plans, which play a very crucial role in any home buyer's decision-making process. We'll discuss the expected possession date, project amenities, and the builder backgrounds in the detail. Then, we'll analyze the project's pricing and offer our final recommendation known as White Hat Advice. If we missed any important details, please let us know in the comment section. Your feedback is important to us and we'll use it to make our future videos even better. If you want a deeper insights of anything, don't hesitate to call the number on the screen. We are here to help you with your house hunting journey. Now, let's get started. Godrej Jardiniya is located near the metro station in Noida Sector 146 along the Noida-Greater Noida Expressway. For those unfamiliar with the location, let's dive into the location details. It is approximately 18 km away from Delhi's Kalindi Kunj, which you can cover in about 22 minutes drive. If you are coming from Delhi, you will reach the Noida-Greater Noida Expressway via the Mahamaya flyover. After passing the Advent Business Park, you will cross 3 metro stations and reach Sector 146 metro station. This station is 6th stop on the Aqualine Metro on the Noida Expressway. From there, take a left turn on the service lane and you'll reach the project in no time. You can understand the connectivity better through drone shots. In the vicinity of the project, you will find Noida Sector 150's Sports City and Knowledge Park 2, where multiple colleges, corporates and residential projects are coming up. For your shopping needs, Noida Sector 18's Atta Market and DLF Mall of India are also available within 25 minutes drive. Additionally, newly launched and under construction commercial spaces and shopping malls are expected to become available in the area within the next few years. The upcoming Noida International Airport is approximately 43 kilometers and a 50 minutes drive away. This development will further enhance the locality's commercial viability and convenience, making it a prime location for both residential and investment purposes. Godrej Jardiniya is being developed on a 6.18 acres plot, precisely 25,000 square meters of land area. This project boasts 72.1% of open space, including 51.8% dedicated to greenery, with the rest reserved for other amenities. It consists of 5 towers in total. Each tower will feature 2 basements and rise up to G+35 floors. The project will have a total of approximately 700 units across all the towers, averaging 116 units per acres. Compared to the industry standard in the similar segment, this density is little high. Ideal density for the project in the segment should have been between 60 to 70 apartments per acres. Godrej Jardiniya will feature 4 units per floor and 4 elevators per tower, ensuring a lift to apartment ratio of approximately 1:35, which is quite favorable. This excellent ratio means that the elevator wait time will be minimized, enhancing convenience for residents. 2 additional elevators running from the basement to the ground floor provide an extra layer of security within the towers. The clubhouse, spanning a total of 50,000 square feet with G+2 floors, will offer modern and futuristic amenities, making it one of the premier clubhouses developed by Godrej Properties. The project will be developed using Maivan technology and feature a podium-based design, offering a sophisticated French-themed aesthetic. It will include 3 levels of parking along with open parking, providing a total of 1,564 parking spaces. This means that each family will have 2 parking facilities available, including provision for visitor parking. Imported Italian marble will be used in the living spaces, while all the bedrooms will feature engineered wooden flooring. Floor-to-ceiling height will be 10.6 feet. Additionally, the apartment will be air-conditioned but not VRV. So these were the project highlights. Now let's move on to the floor plans. The project offers spacious 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments ranging from a comfortable super area of 1758 square feet to a palatial 3221 square feet. The project does have 2 BHK apartments also, but the developer don't advertise them. They do this to keep the project looking more luxurious. Promoting 2 BHK units might have the project seem less high-end. The 2 BHK apartments come in a single option, offering approximately 831 square feet of a RERA carpet area, and you can pause the screen to evaluate the floor plan. In this project, buyers will have 3 options for 3 BHK units. RERA carpet area of 978 square feet featuring 4 balconies, 3 washrooms and an L-shaped living and dining space is the first option. Second option would be RERA carpet area of 1368 square feet including a staff quarter with an attached washroom and a separate entry. RERA carpet area of 1540 square feet offering attached washroom for all bedrooms, an additional common washroom, a storeroom next to the kitchen and a staff quarter with a separate entry and attached washroom. For a 4 BHK option, the RERA carpet area is 1714 square feet. This unit includes a total of 3 balconies, with 2 being large running balconies connected to the living areas and bedrooms. The spacious living and dining area can accommodate an 8-seater dining table. Additionally, this unit offers a storeroom and a staff quarter as well. The floor plans for the project seems okay, though there are some concerns such as absence of a foyer area in certain units and dining area being positioned near the entrance. The kitchen's location might be problematic for some, but its closed design ensures privacy, making it acceptable. The 2 BHK unit has a significant drawback when it comes to the dining space. It offers confined and its position near the entrance and lacks sufficient size, making it almost non-existent. The bedroom sizes are well optimized and spacious. Units with a storeroom provide added versatility as these spaces can serve as staff quarters. They come with attached washroom and separate entries, making them practical and appealing. Mentioned earlier, the area specified for each floor plan represents the RERA carpet area, not the conventional carpet area we are accustomed to. But what exactly is the difference between these two? Let's understand. In a general sense, the carpet area is the actual usable space where you can lay down carpeting. This excludes common areas like hallways, staircases, balconies, and external walls. It's essentially the space you will be living in. The Real Estate Regulation Authority introduced a standardized definition of carpet area. This definition is very similar to the general concept but with one key distinction. RERA carpet area includes the thickness of the interior walls within the apartment in the total area. A regular carpet area calculation wouldn't consider these walls. Because of this difference, the RERA carpet area is usually 5 to 7% larger than the regular carpet area. For detailed information regarding the floor plans or any other queries, you can visit the official website of UP RERA. The RERA number of this project is UP RERA PRJ 288309, which you can also see displayed on the screen. Godrej Giardinian received RERA approval in April 2024 and construction is set to begin shortly. As per RERA, possession is expected to be offered by December 2028, indicating a proposed timeline of 57 months. With the strong reputation and financial stability of Godrej Properties, there is an optimism that the project could be completed up to a year ahead of schedule. Nearly 72% of the land area will be left open, filled with greenery and carefully crafted landscaping. You will find beautiful French-style sculptures and landscaping spread throughout, giving the project a delightful French touch. Talking about the clubhouse, the luxurious clubhouse covering 50,000 square feet will have numerous amenities including a restaurant with a rooftop dining option and balcony seating, as well as a luxury spa and sauna. The project will include 2 swimming pools, one of which will be temperature controlled, situated within the club area. Additionally, the development will include a commercial space with numerous shops integrated with a clubhouse. Godrej's journey has been long and promising, starting as a log company in 1897 and evolving significantly over time. When it comes to the Godrej Properties, it came into existence in 1990. Since then, Godrej Properties Limited has been a leader in excellence in the Indian real estate industry. Also, I would like to highlight that the many projects by Godrej in Delhi and NCR are either franchised, subsidiaries or developed through partnerships with other developers or landowners. However, Godrej Giardinian and Tropical Isle stand out as rare examples, being 100% owned by Godrej Properties Limited. This ownership structure adds an extra layer of trustworthiness to the investment. Like delays observed in other Godrej projects, here you may not encounter any such delays. As mentioned earlier, there will be 3 options for 3 BHK units and 1 option for 4 BHK units. Talking about the pre-launch pricing of these options, the first option of 3 BHK was priced at 2.55 crores, the second option at 3.85 crores and third option at 4.35 crores. And when it comes to the post-launch prices of these units, the first option is priced at 3.20 crores, the second option at 4.75 crores and third option at 5.28 crores. The prices we have mentioned are the minimum price for these units, and there may be variations in pricing depending on the specific unit. For pricing details, you can contact our White Hat team at the number provided on the screen, or you can connect Godrej sales teams via the official website. The pre-launch price for 4 BHK units is around 4.95 crores, while the launch price is set at around 6.25 crores. As we can see, the pricing for all units is quite steep. However, this is a luxury project situated in a well-planned area, designed with a European theme and offered by a reputable developer like Godrej Properties. Considering these factors, the price point seems just okay. Above all, the harsh reality is that the supply of luxury project on the Noida Expressway is very low compared to the demand in the region. Therefore, we feel the prices are justified. Many of you might disagree with us, and we completely respect your opinion. However, in the end, supply and demand are the major defining factors for pricing. Godrej received a great response for Giardina, selling out almost completely within days of the launch, with only a few units left. However, this wasn't a sudden plan. Channel partners and real estate brokers started collecting checks 6 months before the launch. On current pricing and remaining inventories, you can expect some good discounts too. At present, there are not many options available for buyers in the luxury segment along the Noida Expressway. Projects like M3M Cullinan, Godrej Woods and Max Estates are among the few available, but they tend to be quite expensive. Considering this, Godrej Giardina stands out as a good deal in the segment. Those who booked units during the pre-launch definitely got attractive deals, while those who missed out not have very few options left. If you prioritize spacious and efficient floor plans, ATS Kingston Heath offers better value for money. However, it's not the right time to invest in ATS Greens. ATS Pious Orchards from ATS Homecraft offers a fantastic floor plans and a relatively low density compared to Godrej Giardina. If you are willing to come down to the semi-luxury segment, then this is one of the good options that you can consider. Once the registry issue is resolved, Sector 150 will witness the launch of several luxury projects in the near future. However, prospective buyers may need to wait for a few more months for this to materialize. That's all for today's video. If you have visited the site and want to share your feedback with our viewers, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you find our content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you'd like to schedule a visit for any of the project, don't hesitate to reach out with us. We are here to help. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye for now.